7 out of 10.
Rating fidgets. Okay, Claire, give me fidgets to rate. You can rate this squishy.
I hate
squishy.
it. I hate it. 0 out of 10.
The squishy, I'm going to rate a 6 out of 10.
My friend's doing
It also smells good,
video
so.
too, so yeah.
What do you rate these 2 pop-it bracelets? These 2 pop-it bracelets,
and this
they're 9.5 out of 10.
Oh my goodness.
this tangle,
You have to rate this Lego
8 out
squishy.
of 10.
Wait, let me show my camera. I rated a 6.5 out of 10.
What do you rate this squishy?
This squishy, oopsies. This squishy barely squishes 2 out of 10.
You have the same thing. What do you rate this?
I rate this.
This is definitely a 7.8.
Oh my goodness.
I rate this one.
What do you rate this bouncy
It's
ball?
like
I know it's
really
a bouncy
heavy.
carpet.
It's
This doesn't bounce on
5 out of
carpet.
10.
So I guess like it's super bouncy, so like 8.5 out of 10.
Alright. This super
You have to
clear
rate
magic
this.
buddy. I'm gonna open it.
I guess it's like
Wait, can I
a
open
3.5 out of 10.
Can I open this?
Rate this poppet.
This keeps on putting me off a 0 out of 10.
So
What do you rate a pop tube?
Let's try it. It's really noisy. I guess I'll rate it an 8.5 out of 10.
I mean, it's not really
Put
clear.
it back
It's hard
together.
to get out. So I guess I'm gonna rate this one.
What do you rate this squishy thing?
3.5 out of 10.
3 out
Alright.
of 10. Not that good.
Wait, why was this in my fidget bin?
I don't know.
And
Well, this is
I'm
mine, so I rated a
this
10 out of 10.
tangle.
Yeah.
Rate this
So
tangle.
next I'm
Rate
gonna rate
it.
this water snake.
6.5 out of 10.
Give me that.
Bye, guys!